Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at a 2026 7x14 all aluminum dump trailer. This trailer is sitting on tandem 7,000-pound axles with beautiful premium wheels, brakes on both axles. You can see I have it up right now. All aluminum construction, 14,000 GVW on this trailer. We walk around the front here. You can see it's got the nice heavy-duty jack on it. Inside the diamond plate box, we use a nice metal hydraulic fluid box versus plastic like everybody else. I'm going to put the trailer down, being how we have it up. It is a 3-stage front shaft that pushes it up, so you don't have to worry about having too much load up front, as a lot of dump trailers do have that issues. This one does have 24-inch sides on it with stake pockets. It does have the tarp kit. It also has a spare tire mount already on it. All LED running lights, steps on both sides in the front so you can reach up and get the tarp or see your load. It's also, this trailer has a limited lifetime warranty. The only dump trailer on the market that has that kind of warranty. Has an adjustable coupler. You can see here it's adjustable. Here's a spare tire holder right here up front. If you walk around, this is the steps you can step up and get into your trailer. We walk around the back here. We have the back doors open, so you can see it has an extruded aluminum floor. It has 4 6K swivel D-rings. It has the ramp kit. Let me open shut these doors so you can see the back. On each side there's a ramp, so you can load your tractor or side by side or whatever it is you want to put inside this. Unhook this side. You always want to be sure you leave these latched with the chains before you put it up, otherwise you can bend your doors because they will hit the ground. As we latch it, nice and easy, you can see. We'll walk around this side, and this is the ramps. There's one on each side. Heavy duty, all aluminum ramps. If you have questions about this trailer, please reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or 503-666-7300. We specialize in dump trailers and open trailers. Just give us a call. Have a wonderful day.